I'm Shelly and this is Sammy. Sammy, sit. Sammy, sit. Sammy, sit. Sit. Good boy. Go.
Put it away far. Hold it right there.
Good boy. Good boy.
What she's doing now.
He doesn't know that word either.
Sammy.
Because he's looking like he's
Sit.
thinking about it. There he goes. Good.
Now you tell him to stay.
Stay.
8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15. Should we stop it? Because I'm afraid he's going to move. No?
Okay.
We had 9. 2. Yep. Okay, now we're going to do some targeting. Let's see if this little guy knows what that means.
His face. So what are you doing, Ma?
Good boy. Mess that up. Good boy.
See if
I
he,
don't want you moving your hand in toward him. He's got to get up and bop his hand.
Good boy.
Good.
let's see if he'll actually stand up once.
If I.
No, if he can stand up. There.
Boy.
That was much nicer. Once more. Let's do one more target. Good.
Good boy.
Good.
Baby. Good boy.
Again, when you practice this, make sure you do different. Good.
Good boy.
Walk fastish. Where are you?
Good boy. Good boy.
He's, oh, wait, I hear something.
Hi, Roxy.
That Roxy
Roxy seems to be the popular chicken.
Yeah.
You just keep walking.
You're going on your stroll by yourself.
Lots of smells.
When he looks up at you, turn away and run the other way. Who should I take a picture of? Her? This cute doggy? Here's a mop. My stomach's in the way. Oh, that would have been a good clicker moment there. He looked at her. Click, treat, and then keep moving out right away. If he walks with you, click. Ooh. Good timing there. Good. Good.
No. No.
Oh. And turn around and go the other way.
Good boy.
Again, even though he's a little back behind. Back behind's better than over here. Nice. Oops, lost him in my camera view. Boop. Need a tripod.
In behaviors like this,
Nice. Okay, now.
the higher the rate of reinforcement, the more you click and treat your dog, the faster they will learn the behavior.
Now walk back to your leash with him walking nice, and then put it on. He's, I get this. I get this thing.
Nice.
This is the easy way.
Good. I like how you took the collar.
Oops. Now do the same thing, but you're on leash. I need little bangles on my feet. Oh, where'd
He's
you
a
go?
little dancer.
Nice.
Nice.
Nice walking, Ma.
Very nice. Good.
Ooh, pretty.
You know, big advantage having a dog that small. Isn't
Yeah.
it?
They're gonna walk
You
as
have a lot
big.
to exercise.
Right. Yeah.
You know,
Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, good.
Oh, no, one.
Come on. Come on. You want this? Come on, Sammy.
Looks like
Come on, you walk. Come on. Sammy, come on.
those are nice scenes.
Come on.
Oh, he just, all this looking at makes book.
Now that
That
would
would've
be a trick. That would be a really
Actually, that was the trick. Yay! Good job.
While you do that, you say sneeze.
Sneeze. Good boy.
Tell him to leave it first before you put it down.
leave it. Sammy, leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it.